Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the gun is unloaded and safe. You must physically open the action and inspect the chamber. Once done, place the rifle on a stable rest so you reduce movement and repeatable error. Now insert the correct bore sight adapter or laser unit for your caliber. This centers the module in the barrel so the projected dot represents the bore axis. Make sure the laser is powered and seated. That alignment is the foundation for every following adjustment. Place a clear, high-contrast target at the chosen distance. 10 to 25 yards works for most setups, because distance changes correction magnitude. Once in position, look through your optic and use the turrets to move the reticle until it sits directly over the laser dot. You're transferring the bore axis to the sight. Adjust course first to get under the dot, then make small, precise clicks for fine centering. Make sure you verify at each step, because small errors compound over longer ranges. After alignment, remove the bore sight and fire a controlled 3-shot group at a practical distance, 25 to 50 yards, to verify where rounds actually land. If the group isn't centered, calculate the remaining correction and dial the turrets. Once adjusted, shoot another group to confirm. If results jump around, troubleshoot. Check the adapter seating, replace the laser battery, and verify the optic mount torque and rings are tight because mechanical play causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.